Welcome to Bike News, where we bring you the latest updates from the world of motorcycles. Today, we explore one of the most anticipated returns in the biking world, the 2026 Yamaha XT 500. A legendary name is coming back, but with a modern twist that blends classic charm with new-age performance. A legend reborn. The Yamaha XT 500 has always been a symbol of simplicity, durability, and true off-road adventure. The 2026 model takes that iconic DNA and reimagines it for a new generation of riders. Yamaha has carefully preserved the rugged spirit of the original, while giving it advanced engineering to match modern expectations. Engine and performance. The new XT 500 is expected to feature a lightweight single-cylinder engine designed for torque, efficiency, and reliability. Yamaha aims to keep the bike simple yet powerful, making it ideal for daily riding as well as dirt track fun. With improved fuel management, reduced vibrations, and responsive power delivery, the XT 500 stays true to its roots, strong, steady, and rider-friendly. Design with heritage. The design of the 2026 XT 500 pays tribute to the classic model. Its silhouette remains familiar, featuring a minimalist structure, rounded tank, and vintage-style seat. However, this time it comes with modern touches such as LED lighting, digital instrumentation, and refined ergonomics for long-distance comfort. It's a perfect blend of retro and contemporary aesthetics. Off-road capabilities. Built for adventure, the 2026 XT 500 includes upgraded suspension, improved ground clearance, and durable frame construction. Yamaha's focus is to keep the bike capable in tough terrains without making it overly complex. The XT 500 remains a true dual-purpose machine, lightweight enough for trails and strong enough for daily street use. Pricing and expectation. While Yamaha hasn't confirmed the official price, the XT 500 is expected to enter the mid-range adventure segment.